Hey guys, it's Jen, this is beautyriotx. As you can see, I'm very naked faced right now because today we are doing a get ready with me using only makeup from the Dollar Tree. You know what? I'm not gonna knock the Dollar Tree for having makeup because there are people who can't, afford Sephora or Ulta or sometimes even the drugstore stuff. So that's actually great that they have this option for people who can't afford, more expensive things. So here is my bag full of makeup. So we're just gonna get right into it. My face is primed and ready to go. They didn't have a ton of color ranges or a ton of options for everything, so I just kind of grabbed what I thought would work best. And as per usual, I'm going to fast forward through like the eyeshadow part because it takes me fucking forever. Alright, so for eyeshadow I have these two. I have LA Colors, the Calm palette, and this is like a matte nude palette. Alright, so it's just a basic matte nude palette. And then we have Colormate's eyeshadow palette right here, and this is all metallic. Eyes are set, and now we are... I really like how thin these LA Color palettes are. I don't know why, but I do. Alright, so I'm gonna go in... I'm just gonna use this. I have hooded eyes, so I need to really... I'm probably gonna have to work pretty hard to make these show up, so we're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna just kind of start with lightest to darkest. I don't know if I can see anything. I also have a get ready with me featuring like all my makeup from Wish. So stay tuned for that. I'm really not getting much out of this palette. I keep thinking something is happening and then I keep looking and I don't see anything. And you see what I'm doing? I'm actually trying to keep my compact not like this so you guys can see what I'm doing even though nothing is happening. I'm like second from the darkest color, which looks like it's like a brown black. So I do see something starting, but nothing really. I always feel like I see it when I'm putting it down, and then every time I go like this, it's kind of pushing it away. So that's great. We're just gonna keep going with it because we don't have a choice. All right, so I've used basically every color except for this darkest one, so that's what I have to go in with now. I'm gonna try a different brush. Okay, well, that's something, so I'll take it. Something is happening. I mean, nothing major is happening, but something is happening. But my eyes are definitely looking dirty at this point. Like, it doesn't actually look very nice. And I can't even say it not necessarily looks patchy or anything, but it just kind of looks dirty. So I'm not really sure how much more I can do with this. I might just have to suck it up and put a bunch of metallic shit all over my eyes because we're kind of at the end of the road here. So that didn't do too much, unfortunately. All right, and now we're gonna go into this metallic palette, and I'm just gonna have to go ham here because I don't know what else to do. So I'm just gonna try to go in with the darkest shades, which these look like the darkest shades, so that's what I'm gonna try to go in with to see if this adds anything. It's adding no, it just added a big line. So I think what I'm gonna do now, okay. So now I'm just gonna go in with my finger and try to put this all over my lid. Oh, that's nice, okay. There's a ton of fallout. All right, so really not horrible. I feel like this is the only look I could have actually gotten away with these palettes. And really, this palette doesn't even feel bad. Like, it actually feels okay. And I'm actually gonna take this little thing it comes with. I'm gonna spray it with Fix Plus. And I'm gonna go in with maybe this like slightly peach color right here. Some gradient action going on, okay. Okay, this is making it slightly less bad. The eyes are done. Every time I see somebody do a dollar store get ready with me, they always use like that tube, I don't know what brand it is, but they always use a tube of foundation. It's like a tube, something like this, of foundation. It always says moisturizing foundation, but really it's just a moisturizer with a little bit of foundation in it. So I decided to get the LA Colors Liquid Makeup Foundation in the color Natural, which, I mean, it doesn't look completely off for my skin tone, but whatever. I've never seen anybody use this one, so I'm gonna give it a go. All right, so here we go. I got my beauty blender ready to go. I don't know what kind of coverage this is supposed to have, but I mean, honestly, I highly doubt it's going to be full. It feels very like moisturizer-like, so this could actually just be exactly like the one in the tube. Color is definitely not right, but it's okay. This is basically the same thing as the other tube of stuff. Like, I don't really see any coverage. Didn't turn me orange, so that's good. Like, what is this? What is this line right here? Do you guys see that? Like, line? What is this? All right, the next is from LA Colors Against their concealer, and there were two colors. There was beige and nude. Nude looked like the lighter one, but I mean, this looks darker than what I just put on. Again, we are just gonna go for it. This very well could be this stuff in this packaging for all I know. Nose. Yeah, that basically just took off any foundation that I put on my nose. Okay, so actually what I see is actually happening here. Nothing has coverage, and once you put this on, if you go back over it, this will take it off. All right, now, God help me, we are going to set my makeup with the Color Mates Pressed Powder in Natural Beige, because this was the only color they had. All right, my face is still kind of sticky, but we're just gonna have to do this. All right. And I'm very glowy, so. Okay, so this is mattifying it a little bit. The color doesn't look too scary. Not horrific, at least not to me. And yeah, I know I didn't put anything on my neck. I don't really give a shit. And now we can go into contouring and brightening with, I'm gonna set under my eyes with this yellowish kind of banana powder here. All right, well that's not too bad. All right, and let's get into bronzing, and we'll use my trusty bronzing brush. This is obviously going to be my bronzer and contour. They did have a bronzer, like another LA Colors bronzer that I saw there, but it was like full of sparkles. So I decided against it. So this contour palette really isn't bad. It's actually kind of nice, dare I say. And you know what? Let's just go balls to the wall and we will nose contour while we're at it. All right, let's do brows now. So we have the Color Mates Brow Powder in dark brown, medium brown. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the lighter one up here. They did not have any Kat Von D type shades. This looks very, very red. Oh my God, yeah, this is, yikes. Okay, I'm gonna use the, never mind, I'm gonna use the darker color. Whatever. P.S. What do you guys think of my background? Personally, I think it looks copper, not gold, but I ordered gold. Tell me your thoughts. What color do you think my background looks? That was the brows. Yikes. Go in with eyeliner. All right, so this is Color Mates again, and it's kind of a twist up liner. Kind of creamy, not opaque, kind of sheer. But it is doing something, so all right, not too bad. It definitely won't stay very long, but I mean, so now we're going with blush, and this is Toast. So I'm gonna go in with my blush brush. Actually not too bad. It's actually kind of pretty. Shut me right up. All right, now let's do mascara. This is the LA Colors Drama Lash Lush Mascara. It's got a regular kind of brush wand, which I like. I don't really see much going on, but I didn't really expect to. Curl them just for the heck of it. And next, let's do highlight. This is the LA Colors Highlight in Candlelight. It has 3 shades, a white, gold, and a pink. And we're actually gonna go in with this gold color, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner using this little sponge applicator, which I actually use these for my inner corner highlight anyway. And we are gonna go in with this lighter one here for my highlight. That's pretty. And And you know what, maybe on this side, I'm gonna go in with the pink. Just wow, LA Colors highlights pretty nice. All right, last but not least, lips. So these two things came together. We have a lipstick and a lip liner, or the LA Colors. It's like a dual-ended lipstick. It has a coral color on one side and nude on the other. Whoa, holy shit, that's pink. Oh, and I kind of love it. And then we have this black orchid color from Color Mates. Ugh, yikes. This is like brown. Okay, do we do it? Do we do it? What the fuck ever, let's just do it. Doesn't go with the rest of the look, but whatever. I mean, that looks awful, but I'm kind of okay with it. Okay, so here are my final thoughts. These are the products I would probably use again. Even this crazy lipstick. I like the consistency, I like the finish of it. It's not 100% opaque, I wanna say it's like 90% opaque, and it definitely doesn't go with the rest of the look that I'm wearing, but it's fun. And actually, I would actually like to try this nude color eventually. The blush, really nice actually. I was kind of surprised. It gives you a nice kind of flush. It has a little sheen to it, but nothing crazy. I actually like this contour kit as well, the light color and the dark. I might actually use this again. And the highlighter is very, very pretty. I mean, even up close, it looks very pretty. Everything else I can do without. So if you are one of those people who unfortunately you can't afford to shop at the drugstore, Ulta, Sephora, my advice would overall be to save those dollars you were going to spend at the dollar store on makeup and go to the drugstore. Go right to Wet n Wild. Keep an eye out for that Wish video because it'll be up soon. All right, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.